Welcome. Today we are going to start our video with this mushroom drawing, and this is very easy. It's suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 11 years old. See how easy it is. Don't forget to put some exciting colors as we have used here. This one is a stencil sponge painting. You need a black sheet as shown here. Then we have the different stencils that we have created from the cardboard sheet, and you can use the earbuds for decorating the trees as shown here. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Just give it a try. It's suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12 years. You can add the detailing as shown here. Now at the end you can sprinkle some of the paint using the brush. This painting is very cool and suitable for the kids of age group 11 and 12 years. Using the watercolors, we can draw the hedgehog as shown here. For detailing, we can use a sponge again and earbuds also. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Just give it a try. It's suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12 years. It's very easy to draw. This one is a Halloween painting, and we are creating the background out of the sponge imprints. Now see how we are going to draw the castle that looks so haunted and the graveyard from behind. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Don't forget to draw the pumpkins. For this one you need the black chalk and you need some crayons, you need clay, and you can use a stencil as shown here. Now follow the following steps and you will be able to create a beautiful drawing out of such beautiful things. Don't forget to place the beetles as they are found in our garden as shown here. You can sprinkle the paint using the brush. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. This one is meant for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10 years old. Just simple drawing using a sketch pen or any pencil one, and you will draw this watermelon. Summers are incomplete without such fruits. Just try to draw this one. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Just give it a try. It's suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12 years. Use colors. I am using the sketch ones. Let's try to draw some beautiful sea turtles using the bubble wrapper as shown here. It may look difficult, but it's really easy, very elegant. This one is suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 9 years old. Don't forget to do the detailing using the earbud as shown here. Plants don't only grow on the land, but they also grow on the water, like the lotus, water hyacinth, etc. Now we are going to trace some water plants as shown here. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9 years. Don't forget to put some attractive colors. Thanks for watching.